So now next, active pranayam, which is to generate that heat inside our body to keep us active in our further intense practices, is the Surya Bhedi. Okay. Now Surya and Chandra, sun and moon. It is a very, very important aspects in yoga practice. They are related to your energies. They are related to two main nadis, what we call the nerve, or we can say the channels of the pranas or the channels of energies in your body. Okay, some people are sun dominated, some people are moon dominated. You will realize it later on ki what is your body type, that you are dominated by your sun nadi or moon nadi. When we will be learning the practices slowly and gradually, you will understand कि आपका body सूर्य नाड़ी से regulate है कि आपका body moon नाड़ी से regulate है. Very simple way to understand that. If you are always very active, you are always on your toes 24/7 from morning 6 to night 11, if you maintain the same energy level, you are a sun nadi dominated person. Okay, and after every 2-3 hours you want to relax, you are happy to sitting in your couch, you are happy to resting in your bed, you are happy to be relaxed, you don't react things, you don't be overexcited for everything. That means you are a moon dominated person. Okay, simple thing to judge yourself or your prakriti or your personality. So when we talk about the Surya in the practices, it is always to generate heat. You all know very well, sun is the symbol of heat, sun is the symbol of energy, sun is the symbol of life and activity in all of us. Moon, night time, which is a resting and digesting time for our body. So the same way the nadis works in our body. So whenever we will be working with the active pranayam, we are activating the sun nadi. We are coming from a 7 to 8 hours sleeps right now. So right now the body is moon dominated. अभी body का जो mental status वो क्या है, वो है relaxation का. अभी पूरा शरीर आपका relaxing mode पर है. Okay, so now we have to activate it because we have to work with all those muscles and we don't want those injuries, so that activation is more important. Clear? So today's pranayam is Surya Bhedi. Now there will be one more mudra. Gyan mudra you all know very well. Now this is the Pranav mudra, or we call it Vishnu mudra. So whenever those pranayam, whenever you have to touch your nostril, this is the mudra. First 2 fingers down under the root of your thumb. हमने पहली 2 उंगलियां इस तरीके से दबानी है, उसको अंगूठे से प्रेस कर लीजिए. Your ring finger and your little finger will be free. Now whenever you need to touch your nostril, it is mandatory that you can touch only either by your thumb and your ring finger. No other 3 fingers we use to touch the nostril. There is a deep reason behind that I'll explain in our later coming classes. But today you have to just understand one thing. Whenever you are locking your nostril for any kind of breath workout or pranayam, you will be touching your nostril with ring finger and the thumb. Is it clear? So ring finger and thumbs are allowed to touch the nostril, no other 3 fingers. Clear? So for Surya Bhedi, we need to lock our nostril. So locking your left nostril with your ring finger. Again sitting in a comfortable position. As it's a learning time, so we'll be doing 4 sets of Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Right inhale. Left exhale. Right inhale. Left exhale. Right inhale. Left exhale. Right inhale. Left exhale. Complete your cycle from your left nostril. Release and relax. So this is Surya Bhedi Pranayam, which have penetrated your sun nadi, which is going to keep you active throughout your further practices. Okay. Now as it's day 2, so we'll be working on the standing categories of our asana. So the complete session will be doing on our feet. So everybody get up from your mat. Now make it a rule whenever you are standing up from your mat, you are not going to take any support by the end of these 3 months. Maybe today it's day one when we are getting up on our mat, so we are taking hand support, we are taking knee support, but by the end of 3 months, make your body stronger enough that you can stand straight whenever it is asked to you to do the same. Challenge. Now let's start. Hands on your waist. So we'll start with the basic gentle warm up for all our joints from neck to toes. So let's start with the neck stretches. With every inhale, stretch your neck up. Exhale, down. Movements with mindful breathe. Inhale up, exhale down. And hold. While holding, lower jaw movement start. Open and close your mouth and release the stress from your jawline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release, dropping your neck down. Start with the rotation. Gentle movements. People having cervical, keep your movement restricted only back side. So if you have cervical neck, cervical का जिन्हें भी पेन है वो नेक को आगे ड्रॉप नहीं करे, वो सिर्फ पीछे की ओर ही मूवमेंट रखे. Inhale back, exhale front. Keeping your eyes open and closed is completely your choice. 4, counter. Make sure your body is taking equal amount of weight on both your feet. It should not happen that the right side, right foot is taking more weight, left is taking lesser. So, दोनों पैरों पे equal amount of weight. Release and relax. Now stretching your arms out. Make a fist. Adi Mudra if you all remember. Keeping your thumbs inside. Start with wrist rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counter. 1, 2. Krishna ji, we are rotating. We are rotating the wrist. Yes, complete rotation, it's not up and down, it's complete rotation. 5, 6. Slowly release, opening your palms upside, elbow joint movements in and out. 1, 2, 3. Inhale out, exhale in. 5, 6. Shoulders, rotation, fingers on your shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Inhale back, exhale front. Try to touch your elbows if possible. 4, 5, 6. Mahib ji, thoda stretch though. Try to bring your elbows closer. Counter everyone. 1, 2. Feel the extension and the contraction in your chest region also. Shoulders are connected to your thoracic or with your upper back. So feel a deep stretch around your upper back as well. 6. Release and relax. Challenge. Now start with the twisting. So stretching both your arms. Left palm on your right shoulder. Right covering your back. Okay? So this movement will be taking with the movement. So open your hands, inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Okay? Chalo. Let's start. 1, 2, 5. Without turning your toes, twist your torso maximum. Twisting always starts from your navel, reaches to your shoulder and ends with your neck. So feel the twisting from bottom to top maximum. 9. Toes should be front. 10. And hold. Now we'll understand one more very important movement in our practices. They are known as pulses. Now this is my basic twist. When I was doing dynamic, my body allowed me this much. By pulses, we can increase the twisting. So holding your basic stretch, now if I push it more, so what I am doing, this movement, this frequent movement of muscles is known as pulses. So what is your basic strength? जो आपका basic है, उसको जब और आप थोड़ा intense करते हो, frequent movement के साथ, so these practices are known as giving pulses. Okay? So we'll be holding our twist with few pulses. So first take your twist and push your back shoulder more back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release. Hand change, side change. Pushing your shoulders more back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release and relax. Now opening your legs more than your shoulders. Stretching your arms out. Let's start with the side stretches. Now covering your one hand in front of your abdomen. Stretching your arm up. Exhale. Bend to your side. The side extension of your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shall continue with the counting? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Again, holding with the pulses. So first take your deep side stretch and taking down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, come up. Exhale, side stretch, holding with pulses. Knees straight, Anuji, knees straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly release and relax. Come out and relax. Okay. Now after the upper body, now it is all about your pelvic joint. So let's activate your pelvic joint with some small circles. 1, 2, 3. Movements with proper breathing. 5. Counter. 5. 4. Make nice big circles. 3. 2. 5. Release and relax. Now lifting your one foot up. You can take wall support if balancing is still a challenge. So lifting and start with some ankle movements in and out. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotations clockwise. 5, 2, 3, 4. Counter. 4, 3, 2, 5. Leg change. 5, 2, 3, 4. Bhargavi ji, we are doing stretching front and back. 5. Rotations. Now rotate. 5, 2, 3. Nandini, it's not the toe rotation, it's a complete ankle rotation. So stretch front, back, right, left. 5. Counter. 5, 2, 3. Make full rotation, full rotation. 4, 5. Slowly release and relax. Let's move some knee movements. So folding your one leg up, bring it close to your chest, slowly release and leg change. As a beginner, you can do either sitting on chair or you can take wall support with your hips. Okay, as we are not working on the balancing right now, so even if you do with wall support, that is okay. Focus maximum in stretching your knees upside, knee close to your chest. Try to lock your thighs with your belly. Kiranji, it should come straight front. Don't take it to the side. 5, 6. Shutika, spine straight, spine straight. आगे झुकना नहीं है, घुटना जितना ऊपर आए. With a straight spine, try to bring it. 9, 10. And hold. While holding, plantar flexion, toes pointed out. Keep your knees as close as possible to chest. Toes pointed out. Daita, toes pointed out. बंदा जी झुक गए हो, पूरा बॉडी स्टेबल रखो. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now very gently, without dropping your foot down, release. Fold it back side same way, locking your foot with both hands if comfortable, or with one hand if it is okay for you. If you are locking with both hands, keep pressing your foot, your heel, your toes to your hip. When holding, your knee should not be front and back. They should lock each other. Okay? So keeping your knees in one line, try to lock your foot with your hip and hold. The quadricep stretch, the stretch should be felt here in the front side of your Kinika. Knees पीछे लेके जाओ. And it knees together, knees together. 2, 3. Spine straight, किरण जी. Knees पीछे जाएगा, दोनों घुटने दिख रहे हैं. 5, 6. Slowly release and relax. Leg change, side change, holding your knee upside. 1, toe pointed out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rolling your leg back side, catching with one hand or both palms. Lock your foot with your hip. Balance, balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. शालिनी जी, पैर का पंजा हाँ खींचो, हिप की तरफ खींचो, साइड में नहीं, पीछे खींचिए. 6. Knees together. 7. Release and relax. Slowly come out and relax. Okay, ji. Now the final workout for your core. So we'll be taking 2 practices. First, the reverse crunches in a standing position. Another one is the cactus arm crunching. So let's start. Crossing your opposite knee to your opposite elbow. Now the common mistake, as the knee won't come too high. So what we are going to do? We'll be taking our upper body down. Wrong practice. Okay, so keep your upper body stable and straight, and then even if you don't touch, that is okay, but your spine should remain straight. Okay, chalo, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Body stable, don't twist this way. We don't want this twisting. Okay, so maintain your straight spine. Nitin ji बहुत twist कर रहे हैं. 6. And go slow, go slow. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 11. Kinjal ji, lock it, lock it. 12. Maintain the lock. 13, 14, 15. Release and relax. Okay. Now same kind of practice, but this time we are working on the hamstring also. So holding your waist, stretching your right arm up. Okay, so it is going to be the toe touching, right palm to the left leg. Okay, easy. The spine should remain straight. Chalo, let's start. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Knee straight while you are lifting your leg up. महीप जी घुटना सीधा रख के जितना है उतना ही लाएं. महिमा जी नीज बेंड हो रहे हैं. Guys, keep your knee straight, the leg which you are lifting up. 5, 6. आवाज जी, आगे नहीं झुकना है, आगे नहीं झुकना है. पूनम जी, हाथ ऊपर है, ये सीधा हाथ, and we are tapping the toes to the left side. Leg change, side change. Stretching your left arm up, lifting your right leg. 2. Knee straight, knee straight. 3. Krishna ji, the hand is also moving. It is also coming up and down. Side obliques. We are working on these side obliques. 5, 6. This is the practice. 7. Stretch and crunch. 8. Vivek ji, घुटना सीधा Vivek ji. 10. Slowly release and relax. Chalo ji. Now the last one for your hips and for your complete spine, also for your shoulders. So opening your legs, double than your shoulder distance, stretching your arms out, lengthen your spine at 90 degree. Now first understand what is the 90 degree, because many a times you have to come in this position. So when your spine gets parallel to floor. Okay, so this is the right angle which we have to frame with our spine. So there will be many practices when it will be required कि आपका spine जमीन से parallel रहे, 90 degree पर maintain रहे. Clear? So stretch your arms, lengthen your spine at 90. अब 90 से नीचे नहीं जाना है. Fine. Now from here, maximum stretch. We are not stopping ourselves here because toe is the hold, but we are not staying here. We are stretching our hand as out as possible with the swing. So swing your complete spine and then stretch your arm as out as possible. Clear? Abhi, this is the movement of your body. Now what about the gaze? Gaze will be fixed to the upper arm. So now working on your shoulder and your neck. So देखना हमेशा ऊपर वाले हाथ पर. So this is the dynamic movement. Holding, stretch maximum, twist. Now keep taking your belly to your thigh. Twist, 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 and then hold. Okay? Chalo. Let's start everyone. We'll be doing 15 dynamic and 5 counts hold with each twist. Take your position, stretch your arm, lengthen your spine to the 90 degrees. Now start stretching your hand. Take it as out as possible to your foot. And look at your upper hand, knee straight, Avaji. घुटने सीधे. 3, 4. विवेक जी पहुंचिए. 5, 6, 7. And ज्योति चौहान, make it dynamic. रुकना नहीं है अभी, चलते रहे, continue. 9. Mahib ji, knee straight. Either you touch the fingers on the floor, doesn't matter. घुटने सीधे रखो. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hold it there. Here you can use the block. Now there are many members who are not able to touch the palms or fingers on the floor. So keep your block, give a good height, full length, medium length, flat according to your comfort, and take your deepest twist and stay there. Chalo, look up, look up. 1, 2. सीमा जी हल्का सा नी बैंड हो रहा है. 3, 4. Look up Shrutika. 5, 6. Inhale, center. Exhale. First stretch maximum. Then go for the twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release, come out and relax. Back to center. आ जाएं सभी. चलो जी. Now we'll start with our session. Okay? So first, you remember the sitting asana? Dandasana was the samasthiti, the state of balance where we got that grounding, we got that understanding of our body, that how to sit and where you should be your body mass. So the same position in the standing position is known as samasthiti. So first of all, feet together and fully locked. From your toes to heel, your feet should be locked. Okay? Now stretching your arms out. There are two ways to place your palms. Either close to your thighs, shoulders should always be rolled back, chest out, or you can keep your palms open this way. But still, the arms are not getting opened. Okay? Your shoulders are still rolled back, the triceps are locked with your rib cage. So either you keep your palms here with your thighs or keep them away. The upper arm should always be locked with your upper body. Clear? Fine. So this is our basic position. Now the most challenging part of Samasthiti is to keeping your eyes closed. So Samasthiti is the asana, but it's a complete process. So it's a process which you have to feel through the flow of energies from your heels to the crown chakra. Okay? So हमने heel से लेकर top of the head तक उस energy के flow को feel करना है, and through that we are trying to stay all our center joint. Your ankle joint, your knee joint, your complete pelvic girdle, your shoulder and position according to your comfort, close to your thighs or sideways this way open, shoulders back, chest out. Now it's time to close your eyes. The moment we close, the body start shivering, moving. This is the initial state of our mind and our body when the thoughts are scattered, when the joints are not stayed above each other, but slowly and gradually try to press your heels, press the side of your little toes, your big toes, and pressing your feet at these three points. Try to feel the energies of Mother Earth through the soles of your feet, reaching to your ankle joints, making it stable. Now feel the flow of energies moving upward through your calves, through your shin bones, reaching to your knee joints, making them strong and stable for keeping you stand throughout the practice. Sakshi ji, हाथ बहुत फैला लिए हैं. Now again, press your heels, press your toes. Feel the movement of energies from your ankle joints, from your knee joints, connecting them both, covering your complete thighs and reaching to your pelvic girdle. The body is getting stability slowly and gradually. Now keeping eyes closed is not a big challenge. The body is getting stable. Now covering your complete pelvic girdle with those energies, moving upward, cover your middle body, your abdomen, your chest, reaching to your shoulders, covering your shoulder joints. Now feel the flow of energies from both your arms, from your upper arm to your elbow joints, your forearms, to your wrist joints, from your palms, your finger joints, reaching to the tip of your fingers. Now again, feeling the same energy flow through your neck region, to relaxing your face, your facial muscles, your jawline, your eyes, your cheeks, your ears, your nose, your forehead is completely relaxed without any frowning lines, and finally reaching to the top of your head. Now again, the movement of energies from your heels to your crown. Feel that flow now through your spine. अभी पूरा एनर्जी फ्लो अपने स्पाइन के थ्रू देखने की कोशिश करें. Keeping your eyes closed for next few more counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very gently open your eyes and relax. So what is the experience? As I said, Samasthiti is an asana, but it is a complete process where you channelize your energies from your heels to the top of your head. Okay? And the moment you close your eyes and the moment you open your eyes, in that particular period, you are controlling your body, you are controlling your mind, you are controlling your thought. So the challenges which you face after closing your eyes for the very first time in this position, slowly and gradually, the time which you have taken today, maybe it was 15 seconds, 20 seconds, by all those guiding instructions, make sure whenever you do Samasthiti in our everyday's class, you get that balance within the blink of eye. Eyes closed, body is fully controlled, fully balanced, no movement, no any kind of activity. Okay, so this is our first asana. Now we'll be working on the first balancing asana, Tadasana. Okay, so when we talked about the 3 points of our feet, the heel, side of the toe, and the big toe. So these are the 3 points where you should always press your body. Okay, so resting your heel, always lock your small toe, covering and locking your mat with your all the other rest big toes, and then finally lock it with your big toe. Okay, so this is the position how you will be placing your foot always for your standing asana. So this is the spider grip, which is going to keep you deeply grounded whatever kind of position you do in that standing position. So once everybody feel it, press your heels, spread your fingers, like you can spread your fingers in your hands, so spread your toes. Now turning your foot to lateral side, first lock your little toe, now locking your mat, finally lock it with your big toe. Do this 1 or 2 times with both the feet, then only you will realize that whenever you are standing, how should maintain that grip on the mat. बस दबाओ, toes को खोलो, छोटा toe दबाओ, बड़ा toe तक उस pressure को feel करो. Okay, leg change. Spreading the toe itself will be a challenge for so many people. People having heel pain, they should do this practice every now and then. Last and relax. Okay, chaliye ji. Now locking your feet same way, keep them locked. Now keep compressing your heels and toes, stretching your arms up, interlock your fingers, reverse your clutch towards the ceiling. Now place your hand on the head. Now inhale, stretch your arms up and lift your heels up. Now what will be the first challenge many will be facing? While lifting your heels up, your heels will try to run away. The right heel will run to the right, the left will run to the left. What is our task? To maintain this toe to heel lock and lift your leg the same way. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, so this is our first movement. With that, the hand movement is already additional. So हाथ सभी के ऊपर and just lift your feet as high as possible, keeping your heels locked. Initially, those who don't understand that, we always ask them to fix anything between their heels. कि हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा heel कैसे lock होगी. So always fix something and lock your heel and then maintain. Now if your heel run away, see the towel is dropping down. So make sure the lock is maintained. So जिनका भी heel अभी बहुत ज़्यादा दूर भाग रहा है, you can keep any folded towel between both your heels. Last 5. Heels together. Make the heels are going apart. Keep them together. 4. नंदिनी ऊपर जाके लॉक कर रहे हो. ऊपर जाते टाइम भी heel should be locked. 3. किरण जी toes lock. आगे से पैर खुल गए आपके. भार्गवी heels are going apart. 1. And now hold. Chalo ji. Now final. Stretch your arms up, lift your heels up and stay there. Heels together, toes together. Maintain. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Internal rotation. Internal rotation of your knee joints. 1. Fix your gaze. 2, 3. Seema ji, maintain. 4. May heel lock. Heel lock. 5. 6. Niyati ji, heels lock. 6. 7. Stretch your complete body, upper side with your arms, lower body with your heels, with your toes. 5, 4, stay there. 3, good Vivek ji. 2, good Megha ji. And 1. Slowly release and relax. So we think Tadasana is nothing. That khicho Tadasana ho gaya. But if you do it with correct alignment, I said easiest asanas can bring that good amount of strength in your body, good amount of flexibility in your body. Okay? So make sure whenever we are lifting our heels, don't let them go out, keep them together. Okay? Chali. Now opening your feet more than your shoulders. Now the second asana from that standing category is the Tiryak Tadasana. So what you have done, now the same stretch we'll be doing with locking palms and stretching our body sideways. Now here also a very important thing to understand. Whenever your body is taking the side or lateral stretch, it is always target your ribs taking to your hips. Ribs to hips. Fine? So the body should go this way, not this way. So many people do this mistake कि नीचे जाएंगे और इतना चले जाएंगे. But the upper shoulder have come down, your ribs have gone back, and your hips are this side. Okay? So make sure your chest is always open. The twisting side stretches, they are very good. Heart openers also. They are very good for your respiratory system. So make sure you don't shrink your shoulder, you don't shrink your upper body, you stretch it maximum. Clear? So for those same position, if you are not able to do with both hands locked, the dynamic practice which we have done, you just practice with that initially. Okay? The chest should be front side, the upper shoulder should be pressed back side always, and then taking your side spine into a deep side extension. Clear? Chali, take your position again, stretch your arms up, inhale, exhale, lengthen your spine sideways, keep your triceps, both triceps locked with your ears, हाथ इस तरीके से खुले नहीं, lock your head between both your hands and hold. Look front, hold it. Push your shoulders back side, Mahima ji, elbow straight. पूनम जी, ऊपर वाला shoulder थोड़ा पीछे press करो. Bhargavi, upper shoulder, press it back, good and it. 5, good Nitya. 6, Sakshi, ऊपर वाला shoulder push करिए पीछे, बहुत बढ़िया नितिन जी. 7, good May, keep your neck relaxed, you are stretching your neck. 9, Anita ji, बने रहो. 10, inhale, back to center. Exhale, stretch another side, lock your head between your triceps. So give a nice upper stretch to your body. Then take it down. Okay? Chalo, hold it. Chali, Gayatri ji. Seema ji, shoulder, ऊपर वाला shoulder बहुत ज़्यादा push कर लिया. Chest is opening towards the ceiling. वो नहीं करना है. It should be front side. Rupa Shri, why are you looking down? Look front or look up. 6, good Janani. जाओ थोड़ा सा और नीचे. 8, Swati, the elbows are straight. Maintain your straight elbow. Very gently come up and relax. Release and relax. Now as we have prepared our spine with a side extension, now it's time to take our next asana from the same category, Trikonasana. So feet distance will be same, but this time turning your right toe to the right side. ओके जी. सो जो पैर आपके आगे हैं उसे धीरे से स्लाइड करके राइट टो टू दी राइट, लेफ्ट आइदर फ्रंट और लिटिल इनसाइड, डिपेंड्स ऑन योर कंफर्ट. नाउ स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स, लेंथन योर स्पाइन. ओके, अभी फॉर त्रिकोण पीपल स्टार्ट बेंडिंग फ्रॉम हियर. but your body has a good range of motion. So सबसे पहले तो body का range बढ़ाइए, and after that, after increasing the range, see the hand which can go straight here, we can stretch our spine maximum. Then if I take my hand, my spine get a complete side extension. Okay, so make sure wherever you are not dropping your body from there only. First, increase the range. Abhi, all those who are not able to touch the palms on the floor, so they will be holding the block in their hand. Lengthen your spine, extension, extension, and dropping your arm on your block. If you are comfortable with this height, shorten your height. More comfortable, flatten. No need, again flat. Even while going from here to there, see the shoulder has started dropping. So again, after dropping your palm, open your chest, push your back shoulder, back side, and then stretch your arm. And don't drop your body down. Keep your lower shoulder also active. And take your Trikonasana. Look up if you have a healthy neck. Look front if you have a cervical neck. Okay? Chalo. Take your position. Open your feet more than shoulders, guys. Now stretch your arms. Exhale. First, increase the range. Increase the range before going. Kirika, पैर खोलो थोड़े और. Double then your shoulder. Shoulder से भी कम gap है अभी आपका. Knee straight, आवाजी, knee straight. चलिए, good Nitya. Good Bhargavi ji. Good Taya. Lower shoulder should be active. Stretch your shoulder upward. Like somebody is pulling your body upside. Okay? So don't let it go down. Don't make it passive. Keep it active by lifting it up. 7, 8, 9. साक्षी, ऊपर वाले शोल्डर को पीछे पुश करिए थोड़ा सा. 10. Inhale, come up. Maintaining the same distance, same stretch. Just turn your right toe in and your left toe out. Okay? So just change the position of your left foot. Left side, right foot inside. Same. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your body. Then go deep down. 1. Upper shoulder, push it behind. 2. May you have stretched your hand back side. So both your hands should be in one line. So bring your upper hand little closer. 5, 6, 7. ममता जी, ऊपर वाला और हाथ थोड़ा और फेस की तरफ खींचिए. शालिनी, हाथ पीछे चला गया ऊपर वाला. कीप इट एट द सेंटर. बहुत बढ़िया दिव्यानी जी. नी स्ट्रेट. राजेश्वरी, नी स्ट्रेट. आगे वाला घुटना बैंड हो रहा है. दोनों घुटने सीधे. Inhale, very gently come up and relax. Slowly release and relax. Now the final asana for the day is the Warrior 2. As we all have done Trikonasana, so understanding Warrior 2 will be easy for us. Same position, pelvic open. Okay? When there is nothing in front of your navel, this condition is known as open pelvic. When I turn it and lock it with my front toe, the navel and front toe comes in one line. This is your long pelvic. Okay? So as we have worked with the open pelvic today, so final asana is with the same position, open pelvic. So same, turning your toe to the right side. Stretch your arm. Now we are not lengthening. It is all about your hips and your thigh. So back, front knee bend at 90. Okay? So start bending your front knee and come back. First we'll prepare our body. Bend and back. Bend and back. Bend and back. And finally, to take the asana, inhale, exhale, bending your front knee. Now the first common mistake, when we start bending knee, we also start taking the upper body to our leg side. So make sure your pelvic always remain in center. So don't tilt your spine. It's not side extension of your spine in warrior 2. So वीरभद्रासन 2 में हम side extension नहीं करते हैं spine का. It is always locked at the center. Now stretch. Just bend your knee and push your pelvic down. We are not moving it sideways. Clear? Chalo. So take your position. Right side, everyone. So turning your right toe to the right side. Now inhale, lift your chest, start bending your knee and pushing your body there only downward. अपनी body को यहीं दबाओ नीचे. And then stretch your arm. Look at your front hand and hold. चलिए, take your position. Warrior 2, the knee should not cross your ankle. नंदिनी, gap बढ़ाओ पैरों का. साक्षी, gap बढ़ाइए पैरों का. चलो विवेक जी सामने वाले हाथ को देखें. One knee bend, another straight. Krishna, you have stretched your body to the right side. हाँ, so stretch it back, stretch it back. Very good, Naita. 5. आबा जी सामने वाले हाथ को देखो. Good, पूनम जी. 6. Keep pushing your hip down, keep pushing your pelvic down. 7. Try to bring your front thigh as close as possible to your mat, parallel to mat. 9. 10. देवयानी जी pelvic lock हो गया है. हाँ, सामने रखो, सामने रखो. पीछे वाले शोल्डर को पीछे पुश करो. Slowly release and come up. Now just turn your toes inside. Left toe left, right toe little in. Now again stretch your arm. First do some dynamic movement. Knee up, knee down. Inhale up, exhale down. So that your body can maintain that holding at the end. रवि जी pelvic lock है. सामने सामने. Yes, हाथों को साइड में खींचिए. इधर उधर जा रहे हैं. 4. 5. चलो, it's time to take your position, guys. गायत्री जी पैरों का गैप बढ़ाइए. बहुत बढ़िया नितिन जी, गुड. चलिए, गुड. सीमा जी सामने वाले हाथ को देखो. May take your position, take your position. 2. 3. Good Anit, good Abha ji, good Bhargavi ji. 5. शालिनी गुप्ता थोड़ा पुश करो बॉडी को. pelvic push, pelvic push. 7. 8. Good Kiran ji. 9. Jyoti. 10. Very gently come back and relax, relax, relax. Now for relaxation, you can use 2 blocks. You can use your fingertips if you are comfortable. So blocks will give you a good support. You can even use chair or your wall as well. So this is the standing cat and cow position. Okay? When hips and ankles are in one line, when your wrists and your shoulders are in one line. Now start with some hamstring relaxation. Be paddling in mountain. Thank you, Jishana. Chalo, let's start. Do some paddling. Relax your leg muscles. 1, 2, 3. Nandini, we are doing paddling. So इसको frequent बनाओ. Like you are having 2 paddles and we are pumping on that. So feel that stretch, feel that relaxation. 6. महीप हाथ पीछे लीजिए, थोड़े हाथ पीछे लीजिए कि निगाह रखो हाथ जमीन पे या वॉल पे रखो, सामने टेबल पे, चेयर पे. 8, 9, 10. Slowly release and relax. Come up and relax. Okay? Now the final relaxation, the kicking, front, side and back. Okay? So front kick, side kick, back kick. Front, side, back. Front, side, back. Okay? And give a good kick. अच्छा से पूरा throw करो. Throw your leg very nicely. 3, 4, 5. चलिए, leg change, side change. Kicking from the other side. Front, side, back. Front, side, back. Without holding, just throw, 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 throw. 4, 5. Release and relax. Sit in a comfortable position again. The best position to relax your legs is Vajrasana. But as there are no many members who are not able to see, sit in Vajrasana due to certain health restrictions, so you can do in sit in Sukhasana also. But all those who can sit in Vajrasana, try to sit in Vajrasana, and you will get instant relief around your thighs, your calves, your ankles. Everything will be completely relaxed. Okay, Chaliye ji. Now sit in a comfortable position. Now the restorative breathing which we are learning today is known as Mahapran chant. Now we know pranas, but what is Mahapran? Mahapran means the essence of your body. Okay? So आपका जो भी शरीर ने अभी काम किया है, through your breath, through that humming sound, we are going to relax our complete body from top to bottom. So Mahapran chanting is very simple. The same humming sound we have to create by keeping our eyes closed. So this is going to be 3 times chanting of Makar. So whenever you are chanting that Makar, it should always be concentrated here at your Agya Chakra. So take all your Chetna, all your awareness here at your Agya Chakra. Hands in, Jnana Mudra. Inhale. Keeping your mouth closed, Makar chant 3 times. Inhale. Inhale. Feel the vibrations and the resonance of Makar all around your body and mind. And with these vibrations and the echoes of the first sound or the universal sound of Makar, try to relax your body and breathe deeply. Joining both your palms, prayer to heal the universe. सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Peace to your mind, peace to your soul. Rub both your palms gently. Place it on your eyes. Blink your eyes inside your palms. Once again, nice energetic palming. Now relax your complete body from head to toes with lots of love, kindness, and gratitude. Relax, relax, relax. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile again. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, guys, so this is all about the standing categories of the asana, where you have to focus, how you have to maintain that grip, what should be the grounding, where you have to fix your gaze whenever you are into a balancing postures. Okay,